Hi everybody, so today we are doing a refresh of this half bathroom. So if you want to see what we did and how we made it less chaotic and more calming and pretty, stick around. So what we're doing today is taking this half bath, which has just become like a collection of leftover decor. That's my pantry wall, so it's a weird shaped bathroom. And we're going to turn it into something pretty. We had a towel bar hanging up here and we had it on anchors, obviously, and it got knocked down. So I just kind of did a very poor patch job and hopefully make this look like a less cluttered and cleaner, more up-to-date space. Don't you guys love this? My husband made these for me. He puts them around every mirror in every house we live in. And I absolutely love the way they finish out those mirrors. So stick around to see what we do. So the first thing I'm going to do is empty this bathroom of all of the decor entirely, and honestly it doesn't take very long to do that because as you can see I can reach every single wall from standing in one place in this bathroom, so it doesn't take long to empty it entirely. Next, I'm going to clean it because who wants to start with a dirty canvas, right? You always want to start with a fresh, clean area before you bring in your new decor. I'm using my Glass Plus. Y'all know how much I love my Glass Plus. That's what I'm using. And just for the record, I did scrub the toilet. I just don't show that on the videos for whatever reason. I think that's gross, so I just don't show it. But it does get done, trust me. I picked this vine piece up at Hobby Lobby and I want to say it was on sale for 13 and change. It was 12 and change, 13 and change, somewhere in that area. More than 10, less than 15. I can't say specifically for sure, but I knew it would go right over the toilet and be the perfect thing to take up that space without being too cumbersome. You guys, I have looked at this piece at Hobby Lobby a couple of different times, and I believe he was $59 regularly priced, and he was one of the ones that was either 50% off or 66% off. I forget which, but I paid 23 and change for him, and I'm absolutely thrilled with him. Phil wasn't too impressed when I picked him up and put him in the cart, but I just asked him to trust me, and now he loves it as much as I do. I am absolutely obsessed with the buffalo check print, and I love, love, love the black and gray and white. I think it's so crisp and so sophisticated, and I love it. So I made a couple of pieces to go into the bathroom, and I'm including some photographs to show part of that process, and then you'll see how I put it all together. These little wreaths that I'm using on top of the buffalo check canvases came from Hobby Lobby, and honest to God, you guys, I should just hand those people my paycheck. so there's that. We'll do a slow turn. And I just cleaned and uncluttered on the sink. Mirror stays the same. And I didn't do anything with these walls. They're small enough. That's the furnace, that's the garage. And back to the canvases.